Is your baby constantly coughing or wheezing? These could be signs of bronchiolitis. Why are infants vulnerable to bronchiolitis? Infants have delicate lungs, making them more susceptible to bronchiolitis, especially during the monsoon season. Symptoms of bronchiolitis: persistent cough producing mucus, shortness of breath or wheezing, chest discomfort or tightness, fatigue or feeling unusually tired, mild fever or chills. Treatment and care at Omni Hospitals, PICU, Paediatric Intensive Care Unit. At Omni Hospitals, our PICU provides specialized care and treatment to help your little one recover quickly and safely. Your baby's health is our priority. Consult our experts today.